Getting your tire pressure right is absolutely critical for safety, performance, and saving money on gas. But with so many tools out there, choosing the right one can be confusing. Today, I'm cutting through the noise. We're counting down the top 5 tire pressure gauges you can buy right now. From simple digital readers to powerful cordless inflators, including my personal favorite at number 3, there's a perfect pick here for every driver and budget. Let's get started. First up, the AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. This is your classic, no-fuss, reliable digital gauge. It reads in super fine 0.1 increments across 4 different units, so you get a precise number every time. It's got a great backlit screen and even an illuminated nozzle to find that valve stem in the dark. It comes with a Presta valve adapter for your bikes, and it runs on easy-to-find AAA batteries. The build is lightweight and ergonomic, perfect for tossing in your glove box. Now, its pressure range tops out at 150 psi, so for some heavy-duty truck or RV tires, you might need more. But for 95% of cars, SUVs, and motorcycles, this is more than enough. It's accurate, affordable, and incredibly easy to use. If you just want a trustworthy gauge to check your pressure, this AstroAI is a fantastic place to start. It's the best-selling option for a very good reason. Next, for those who need more muscle, meet the ETENWOLF T300. This thing is built tough. It has a wider range from 3 all the way up to 200 psi, making it ideal for pickups and RVs. It's calibrated to a higher industrial accuracy standard. And get this, it has a built-in AI chip for thermal compensation. That means whether it's freezing cold or blazing hot outside, the reading stays accurate. They even claim you can run it over with a car and it'll still work. The trade-off, it's a bit larger and doesn't include a Presta adapter for bicycles. You'd have to buy that separately. But what you gain is extreme durability and precision for bigger vehicles. Alright, number 3, and this is my personal favorite. This isn't just a gauge, it's a complete solution. The Airmoto Portable Air Compressor. Why do I love it? Convenience. This cordless inflator lets you check and fill your tires anywhere. Set your desired PSI on the digital screen, hook it up, and hit start. It automatically shuts off when it hits the perfect pressure. No more running back and forth to a gas station air pump. It's rechargeable via USB-C, includes every adapter you'll ever need, and has a built-in LED light. The only catch is it's for topping up and emergencies. It's not designed to inflate a completely flat truck tire from zero or fill large volumes like air mattresses. But for maintaining perfect pressure on your cars, bikes, and sports balls, it's an absolute game changer. If you hate the hassle of finding air, the Airmoto is the tool for you. Number 4 is for the home garage warriors, the Nilight Digital Tire Inflator Gauge. This is a heavy-duty air chuck that connects directly to your home air compressor. It has a giant, bright screen and a high-flow hose. You connect it, squeeze the trigger, and it shows the live pressure as you fill. It goes up to a massive 250 psi and is built from solid brass and steel. This is all about speed and efficiency when you're already using a compressor. The downside is you obviously need a separate air compressor to use it. It's not a standalone unit. Finally, we circle back to AstroAI with their upgraded model. This is very similar to our first pick, with one key improvement. It uses 2 AAA batteries instead of 3 button cell batteries. AAA batteries last longer and are way easier to find and replace. It has the same great 0.1 psi accuracy, backlit display, 4 units, and includes the Presta adapter. It's a subtle upgrade, but for many, the better battery system is a huge win. If you're choosing between the 2 AstroAI models, I'd lean toward this one for the simpler power source. It remains the best overall value digital gauge for most everyday drivers. So there you have it. From the simple and reliable AstroAI gauge to the rugged ETENWOLF, my favorite all-in-one Airmoto inflator, the garage-ready Nilight, and the upgraded AstroAI. The right tool will save you money on fuel, extend your tire life, and keep you safer on the road. Ready to stop guessing your tire pressure? Check all the links for the latest prices in the description below. Once you start using one of these, you'll never go back to those old analog gauges. Thanks for watching and drive safe.